Hello, and welcome to Time Trade, the place where smart trading meets cutting-edge technology. On this channel, I show you how to trade more effectively by combining the analytical power of a neural network with a clear, logical human approach. This isn't about luck or guesswork. Each signal from the AI is the result of deep data analysis, designed to guide you through the market with confidence. I walk you through how to use these insights alongside practical strategies to see the bigger picture and trade with purpose. If you're serious about improving your trading and want to rely on real tools instead of emotion, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming content. Right now, there's a special offer. You can connect to the neural network absolutely free. Just click the link in the description. Once activated, it's yours to use forever with no ongoing fees. Intelligent trading support that stays by your side. Let's get into it. What you're seeing now is the Telegram bots interface. First, we choose a currency pair. Let's go with Euro to US dollar. Then, I head over to the Pocket Option platform, where I search for this pair in advance. I'll set the expiration time to 5 minutes and place a $1,700 trade. Now, back in the bot, I select the 5-minute expiration, and we're ready to begin. As you can see, the neural network analyzes the market. After the analysis, the trading bot gave a signal to increase the price on the 5-minute time frame. Well, now I will go to the Pocket Option broker and look at the situation on the market. Okay, I click the green button to buy in accordance with the signal from artificial intelligence. Friends, I want to tell you a little more about the terms of the promotion. Only this month, you can connect this trading tool for free. After connecting, the neural network remains with you forever. Every day, on permanent terms, you will receive an unlimited number of signals that can help you make the right trading decision. The link is in the description. Go to this bot and, using its instructions, join the community of people who use artificial intelligence to improve their analysis. If you have any questions, be sure to write to our manager. He will help you understand all the nuances and connect to the broker. Guys, by the way, I will have a new training course released very soon. If you join my team in Telegram, I will give you this training absolutely free. The link to Telegram is under the video. The training material is suitable for both beginners and traders who are already trading on the market. If you're ready to dive deep into real trading on the currency pairs market, I invite you to join a free training from the Time Trade team. This is more than just theory. After completing the course, you'll be able to clearly see market structure, identify key support and resistance zones, and make well-reasoned decisions based on analysis, not guesswork. I'll guide you step by step through learning how to read charts from the ground up, understanding the logic behind price movement, and building your own trading strategy based on proven patterns rather than someone else's opinions. This training is designed for those who want to grow into independent traders, not just follow signals, but truly grasp how the market works and act with confidence. If you've been thinking about starting or have already tried but didn't find success, this is your opportunity. Click the link in the description and message me directly. I'll respond personally and help you begin your trading journey with clarity and purpose. Guys, if you want to continue to understand the intricacies of the market in practice, just stay in touch. Your support is always felt. I will be very grateful for a like, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Guys, let's go to the TradingView terminal to conduct technical analysis. In the search bar, I will find the Euro and American dollar currency pair. Let's take a close look at the chart. I want to draw your attention to the resistance area from which the price is moving down. It would seem that sellers dominate the market, but buyers are also active, and this is indicated by areas of decreasing maximums. Let's note that from these local support areas, we see price rebounds upward. I think that from the last minimum, the price will turn up and will continue its upward movement. My educational content is intended for educational purposes only. I do not provide financial advice and do not give recommendations. On the channel, I demonstrate practical approaches to trading based only on my experience. That is, these are only my personal results. Therefore, trade responsibly and consciously, observing all the rules of risk management. Trading on the currency pairs market with the help of artificial intelligence can significantly improve results, but only if the trader understands how to properly interpret and apply the signals it generates. The neural network processes vast amounts of data and identifies patterns, but the trader must still use their own logic to confirm entries and avoid acting impulsively. AI should be seen as a supportive tool rather than a substitute for personal analysis. Even accurate signals can lead to losses if the trader ignores basic risk control. That's why strict money management is essential, especially for beginners. Risking no more than 3% of the deposit on each trade helps preserve capital during losing streaks and gives the trader a chance to continue learning and adjusting their strategy. Ultimately, success comes not just from technology, but from discipline, emotional control, and thoughtful decision-making. In trading, especially in the currency pairs market, psychological stability is not just a personal trait. It's a critical foundation that determines the outcome of each decision. A calm and confident trader sees the chart not as a battlefield of uncertainty, but as a structured flow of information where every movement has a reason. When emotions dominate, decisions become impulsive. Excitement after a successful trade can push a person to increase their investment size irrationally, while fear after a loss can make them exit too early or hesitate to enter a strong setup. In such states, a trader stops acting according to logic and starts reacting to emotions, which almost always leads to a breakdown of strategy and, eventually, loss. A stable character allows a trader to remain centered even when the market behaves unpredictably. Confidence formed through knowledge and experience becomes an anchor that prevents emotional swings from influencing actions. Meanwhile, the first trade ended successfully. I got a good result thanks to my analysis together with the signal from a bot. If you use the signals from a neural network correctly in accordance with the market behavior, you can work with profit. Let's open a second trade on a 1-minute time frame. Increase the investment amount to $1,800 and change the currency pair to the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Now, I will go to the trading bot interface to receive a signal. I press the currency pair button and the expiration time button. Let's wait a few seconds. So, according to artificial intelligence, the price may go down. Okay, I pressed the red button. Well, if you don't have enough experience yet, you can trade using artificial intelligence. If you interpret the signals from the bot correctly, the price movement will be more predictable and understandable. Let me remind you that you will find the link to the bot in the description. Within 30 days, go to the bot interface and take it for free. The neural network remains with you forever. AI analyzes dozens of market parameters without emotions, offering a clear, structured signal based on logic and statistical patterns. This simplifies the decision-making process and helps maintain mental balance. A person does not need to feel the market all the time. They can trust the neural network's analysis and act more deliberately. Thus, psychological confidence combined with the support of AI creates an ideal environment for responsible trading. When the mind is calm and the analysis is supported by emotionless algorithms, the result is not only a reduction in stress, but also an increase in the quality of decisions. Trading becomes a structured, thoughtful process where each step is taken with awareness, not under the influence of temporary emotional states. In the meantime, let's fix that trading with artificial intelligence can bring good results. My trading ended with a profit. If you use the trading tool correctly and know how to look at the market with logic, then any beginner has a chance to become a cool trader. It was a time trade. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.